Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we're reviewing the Expensify app, a financial tool built to simplify how users track expenses, manage receipts, and submit reports. This video explains how the Expensify app works, highlighting its major features, user experience, advantages and drawbacks, recent user feedback, and whether it's worth using. Expensify is designed for both individuals and businesses looking to automate the way they handle receipts and expense reports. Users can capture receipts by snapping a photo, and Expensify's Smart Scan technology extracts relevant details like the merchant, amount, and date automatically. These expenses can then be categorized, tagged, and added to reports. For frequent travelers or remote workers, Expensify also supports mileage tracking, international currency conversions, and automatic syncing with bank accounts and credit cards. The app allows for multi-level approval workflows, reimbursement through direct deposit, and integration with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite. Businesses can manage team expenses and set custom policies for approvals. Expensify Cards, a feature for business teams, help track company spending in real time. For freelancers and solo users, Expensify offers an individual plan that provides most core features at no cost. Users appreciate the automation and ease of scanning receipts on the go. Many mention how much time it saves during tax season or monthly expense reporting. However, some reviews point out that the interface can be a bit confusing for first-time users. Others mention that the app sometimes misreads receipts, requiring manual correction, especially with international currencies or faded printouts. A few long-time users expressed frustration with recent pricing changes and reported occasional syncing issues with connected bank accounts. Based on recent feedback, many find Expensify valuable for streamlining expense tracking. One user said it completely removed the stress of organizing receipts after business trips. Another noted that while the app is powerful, it comes with a learning curve that could be smoothed out with better onboarding. In conclusion, Expensify is a strong option for users who want to automate receipt management and simplify expense tracking. It's especially useful for business professionals, frequent travelers, and teams needing an all-in-one solution. While there are some usability concerns, the app's features are well developed and practical for managing personal or corporate finances efficiently. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.